Hi friends, happy Thursday. I am like 90% sure that this is actually the beginning clip of this vlog. So, oh my goodness, you can probably hear my dishwasher. So I'm gonna do an actual intro. Welcome to this week's vlog. If you are new around here, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, like it, comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see more of. And yeah, so it's Thursday night. I think my friends are coming over. My stove is blinking because the power went out here last night and I haven't fixed it yet. But before my friends get here, I am making some supper. I am gonna zoodle the heck out of this and then I'm gonna put it right straight into the pan and just like toss it with some olive oil until it cooks up a little bit. And then I've got Alfredo sauce that I'm gonna put right in the pan with it to cook it. Hey friends, it's Friday night. I'm just eating supper. Jess is gonna come over later and we're gonna do a bunch of wedding DIYs, but I wanted to share with you the way that I kept my supper in balance tonight, and it is 100% all thanks to Rachel Hollis. I was listening to her podcast on the way home from the grocery store and it definitely changed my outlook. So I will show you. All right, so I bought a pizza and I got, it's like a thin crust chicken bruschetta pizza. It's one of the healthy ones that my grocery store chain has. It's the PC brand if you're Canadian. And I love these things. I definitely could sit down and eat a whole pizza by myself. And that was my plan. I went and got a pizza so that I could eat it all myself. And then I was listening to Rachel on the way home and she was like, if you don't like the way your body looks, you can change it. You know how, just do it. And I was like, you're really right, obviously. So before I start eating my pizza, I'm going to eat my bowl of zoodles and drink a full thing of water, and I might still eat the whole pizza, but at least I'll have started with veggies most and lots of water. If you're wondering what this was, this is my bubble wand. It's upside down right now because I painted it, but it is, it's got a Mickey head on it and it blows bubbles. It's like a motorized bubble wand that our flower girl is gonna use for the wedding. And I paid a lot of money to get this here in Canada because it's only sold in the parks. So you have to have it like specially shipped. And then less than 24 hours after it had shipped, we decided to go to Disney in April. So I could have just picked one up there. I feel a little bit like an idiot, but it's here. I get to do my craft, so guess that's how she goes. I am DIYing our arch. So I've got all this copper here, and I just cut a bunch of pieces that I'm gonna use to put it all together. And this is not just for one arch, we're also gonna use like copper, like they'll look like arches, but they're gonna be way smaller to hold some of our signs. So now I'm gonna do my first assembly. We're gonna spray paint all these, so I'm not gonna solder them yet, but I just wanna see how all the pieces fit together. All right, we are like 2 seconds away from this all falling apart because I have nothing holding it together, but this is going to be our arch. It'll have draping and florals and stuff on it and it'll all be spray painted silver, but I kind of like it. And if I can't sell it afterwards as an arch, I can always keep it as a clothes rack.
Ew.
We have massacred a lot of fake flowers. We made a flower crown, made this thing for the arch, and I made this one over here for the arch.
She's pretty.
All right, let's see what we got.
Here.
All right, ladies and gents.
Les voila.
Les voila. Oh, it's so pretty. So here we got.
Massacred some wine. So
Yeah, wait. Wine.
empty bottle on the table.
Wine. And also, all these beauties. And disputed. Holla at your girl.
Hello.
Yay. Friendship, love. Actually, so.
What are you doing?
I'm filming the two of you matching. You're so cute. It's my dad and my grandmama.
We didn't even plan.
No. Yeah, Dad picked up Nanny on his way over. We were having them for breakfast, and they just happened to match in their buffalo plaid. Alright friends, I know this vlog was a little bit late getting to you, but I really didn't have much going on, and so I wanted to have a little bit more footage, so I did spread it out over a couple more days. Next weekend I'm going to Ottawa, so I will definitely have a good vlog for you up next Sunday, because I'm going during winterlude, so I'm hoping that I can kind of zip around Ottawa and see some of the fun winter stuff. Right now I'm just about to get in the bath. I've got a book, some wine, some water, and I'm excited to just relax in my bubbles. Right, have a good week, and I will see you on Thursday with my monthly wrap-up recap video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet, but you guys said you'd be interested in seeing it, so I'm gonna make it for you.